I love about the Beetle is how simple the car is and how beautiful the form of it is and how much fun my whole life has been because of that car. It's a pleasure to be in Wolfsburg because it is the birthplace of my car. It's a lot of history. Not everybody can get in there. And for me, it's fantastic because I get to drive some of them. When I was young, I had a Volkswagen and I loved it, but it was slow. It was a 1956 oval window. So I started to figure out how to make it go faster. And in doing so, I met a lot of people interested in the same thing. And I got involved in a club, the Panzers. We are one of the oldest, if not the oldest, VW clubs in Southern California, and we are for sure the oldest Cal Look club. By Cal Look, I mean lowered front end, very basic colors, and fast motors. A Cal Look car is beautiful and fast. I love them. It's a huge lifestyle. It's, for a lot of people, it's the way they live their life. It's all around this little car. Herbie reached a lot of people who wouldn't necessarily be Beetle fans in America and in even the whole world. The movies have heightened the awareness of the Beetle. I'm 73 years old, but I feel when I'm in my car, I'm 30. I don't look it, but I feel it.